Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be wrapping up and painting our Kx250 shifter cart. For those of you that are new, I built this 101 Kx250 shifter cart. I highly recommend that you guys check out the previous videos. So we're trying to get this thing perfect. I've got a few things I need to address before we start stripping it and prepping it and then painting it. But this is not going to be no ordinary paint job. This is going to be a 4 or 5 step painting process. It's going to be a very sick paint job, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, we got lots of epic stuff on the way. Be sure to hit that notification bell. Anyways, let's get right into this build. So we got the shifter cart disassembled. It took like 20-30 minutes. But we're going to start welding up some spots, sanding it down, prepping it, and hopefully we can throw on a coat of primer today. So here we got the bare chassis on the scales, and it's actually right around 95 pounds. I'm actually really happy with how my welds turn out with the flux, but it's just a lot of cleanup, a lot of spatter, so I think I'm gonna switch to gas in a few weeks probably. Now it's time to wire wheel, sand, and prep everything for primer, so let's get right into it. We're going to be using this self-etching primer. I've tried pretty much all of them and this one works the best. And it's also recommended for a bare metal, so we go ahead and use this, spray everything, hopefully it turns out mint. So let's get right into it. It's the next day, guys. The primer laid down fantastic. I went ahead and scuffed everything with the Scotch-Brite pad, and it is super smooth. Now the areas like this right here that aren't perfect, we put some filler primer over. We're gonna go ahead and blow all the dust off, wax and grease remove it, and then lay down our first primary base coat. So let's get right into it. Wow, I am very happy with that. No clear coat yet. These are only the first few coats. So we're gonna blend the white onto the black. But before we do that, we're gonna tape it off. But we still need to let this dry for like 30 minutes, finish a few more coats. But guys, this thing is looking phenomenal. Shout out to More Motorsports, aka James. He's the one that kind of inspired me to do this. Phenomenal work with rattle cans. Just thought I'd give him a little shout out. We're going to be using this 2K clear in a can. This actually has hardener in it, so the clear coat will harden and it will pretty much lock all the paint under it. So if you spill gas on it, maybe a little bit of acetone, it'll be perfectly fine. I do want to warn you guys, this clear coat is very picky on what colors it likes to stick to, so you really want to avoid spraying this on enamel. Now these two colors are 2X brand Rust-Oleum. Sometimes it's best to spray this immediately after. It's up to you guys, read the instructions, but we still got a few more finishing touches to do and hopefully we'll be good. Clear coat. So guys, I am mind blown on how this paint job turned out. It's like pretty much a professional automotive style paint job. I really love how this blend turned out. I'm probably going to paint all my builds in either white or black, because I just think that's a really cool color. But thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. Consider subscribing if you are new. The reason why I didn't put this thing together is because we still have to do something to our engine performance wise, so stay tuned for that. And I still need to get back with my doctor at the end of this month, see if I can start riding this stuff, because in case you didn't know, I did actually break my leg. Also, if you did notice my shirts, I will have a link in the description if you want to support the channel. It's a new design I came up with. I should have hoodies up there soon, so check it out, guys. Follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes. But I have to see you in the next video. Stay tuned and peace.